Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Roblox connection errors. So first thing you have to do is go to your browser and search for Roblox status page. Tap on this, and from here you can see all the updates from the Roblox history or status. Next method is to restart your computer, console, or mobile device to refresh the connection. Also, make sure that your internet connection is stable by running a speed test and restarting your router or modem. And if you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it as it may interfere with your connection to Roblox. And then lastly is the clear Roblox cache. So for Windows, just press Windows plus R and then type hashtag local app data hashtag and delete the Roblox folder. For mobile, go to the device settings and clear the app cache for Roblox. And there you go. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!